Shop smarter with BrainyBuyer.com and support smarter by subscribing. Your click means more unbiased tests, clearer charts, and fewer decision headaches. Hey, check out these two Weber grills I found. The Q2800N Plus and the Genesis S335. Both propane, but totally different beasts.
Oh yeah? What's the deal? I'm kinda in the market for a new grill.
Well, the Q2800N Plus is compact, like 30 inches wide. Great for a smaller space, and it only weighs about 30 pounds. The Genesis is much bigger, almost 36 inches deep, and it doesn't even list the weight, which probably means it's really heavy.
Space is a factor for me. What about cooking area?
The Q's got a cooking surface of 320 square inches. The Genesis doesn't list the surface area, but with 3 burners versus the Q's single burner, I bet it's significantly larger. It also has an expandable top cooking grate.
Okay, so the Genesis is for bigger cookouts. What about temperature control?
The Q2800N Plus boasts a wide temperature range, 250 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, and it even has a plus burner for searing or low roasting. The Genesis doesn't give specific temps, but it does have an extra large sear zone and a side burner for sauces.
Side burner, huh? Fancy! What about the grates?
The Q has porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates. The Genesis just says grates included, so I'm not sure of the material.
And what about convenience features?
The Q has detachable side tables and a front-facing grease tray. It's also Weber Connect Wi-Fi hub probes compatible, though you have to buy those separately. The Genesis has a prep and serve table, a grill locker for tools, and an improved grease management system.
Sounds like the Genesis is the deluxe model. What's the price difference?
Big difference. The Q2800N Plus is around $399. The Genesis is $1,403.
Whoa, that's a jump. So basically, the Q is for smaller spaces and budgets, and the Genesis is for serious grilling enthusiasts with more to spend. Yeah?
Exactly. The Q is great for portability and smaller families, and the Genesis is like a full outdoor kitchen.
Alright, thanks. I think I'm leaning towards the Q. My balcony isn't that big.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.